Yeah. They actually have contempt of court. I just couldn't find it. Yeah. They have contempt, the act or state of despising. The quality, state, or condition of being despised, conduct that defies the authority or dignity of a court or legislature. You're in contempt of the legislature that passed these laws? I'm thinking I can actually sue you for each and every law that you yourselves would not enforce, because such conduct interferes with the administration of justice. It is usually punishable by fine or imprisonment. Now, contempt of court, judicial contempt. Contempt is a disregard of or disobedience to the rules or orders of a legislative or judicial body or an interpretation of its proceedings by disorderly behavior or insolent language. Oh, in its presence or so near thereto to disturb the proceeding as to impair the respect due to such a body. Edward M. Dangle. Pooch. Now, there's a civil contempt. Oh, the failure to obey a court order that was issued for another party's benefit. Now, let's say you issued a protection order for the benefit of the petitioner. Yes. And the minors named. They're known as civil parties. Now, I'm a party and she's a party, but the minors named are actually a party too, aren't they? And you decided that you would give this to some other person to serve me in the Sequim Public Library instead of you personally serving me and putting proof of service in the court file, thinking that there could be no safety issues. Now, this civil contempt of the sheriff's department. I'm going to sue the sheriff. Now, you really made a big boo-boo when you allowed somebody else to serve me in the Sequim Public Library. Now, the five minors named, known as my sons, they actually have certain rights that as children that you have to protect them. You can't just arbitrarily be giving out the personal information of those names in court orders. Now, it's for a civil contempt proceeding is coercive or remedial in nature. Yeah. The usual sanction is to confine the contemnor until he or she complies with the court order. Now, let's say I put all the sheriffs in Clallam County in prison until they complied. Or did you think it was a fucking joke what you were doing? It says the sheriff's department shall personally serve me and then file proof of service with the court that service had been made. You thought it was a fucking joke. Every sheriff in this county could go to fucking prison.